Assalamu alaikum. Whenever we want to check the association between two non-numeric variables, we check it by chi-square, or we also call it test for association. So this is the learning outcome of today's video. To study the association between two non-numeric, that is categorical variables. The formula for chi-square is OI minus EI whole square divided by EI, where OI stands for observed values, EI stands for expected values, and the degree of freedom formula for chi-square is R minus 1 into C minus 1, where R equals to rows and C equals to column. The formula of expected value is RT multiplied by CT divided by GT, where RT stands for row total, CT stands for column total, and GT stands for grand total. So if we take an example, here in this example we want to check the association between the personality and the color preference of those individuals with these personalities, introvert or extrovert. This is the data, as you can see, and I pasted it in Excel file, and we will calculate all the calculations there. So this is the data, and keeping in mind the formula OI minus EI whole square divided by EI, we get these columns. The first column is OI, that is observed values, which is given in this question. Then we will calculate EI, and then that is the simple calculation, the difference between the two values OI and EI. Then we have the square of the difference between the two values, and then we will divide by EI, and the sum is chi-square. So let's write it here first. The observed values 50, then 30, then 40, then 20, then 10, and then 50. It's totally up to you that you do it column wise or row wise. Now if we calculate the value of EI for the first observed value, that is 50, so we check it that the row total of this 50 is 100, so we put it 100 multiply by column total of 50 is 80. As you can see that this is 80 of column total, we wrote 80 divided by grand total, that is 200. This is the 200. So we get the answer 40. Similarly, for other values we'll calculate it. 30, 100 multiply by again 80 the column total of 30 is 80 divided by grand total, that is 200. We again get 40, then equals to row total of 40, this 40, 100 multiply by column total of 100, that is 60, divided by grand total, that is 200. Then 20, the column row total of 20 is 100 multiply by column total of 20 is 60 divided by 200, that is the grand total. For the last two values, you can check, multiply by 60 divided by 200, and then the last but not the least, we have 50. The column row total is 100, multiply by column total is 60 divided by 200. So we get the values of OI minus EI. Now it's a simple calculation, equals to OI minus EI. So we get the first answer 10. I drag it to the last value, I got the answers. Then I multiplied it with the square, I took the square, I got 100, the first value, and then I again dragged it. The last column is OI minus EI whole square divided by EI, that is 40. So I got 2.5, and then I drag and drop it. Adding all these values with the auto sum option, I get the answer of chi-square, that is 38.33. I hope it is easy to understand. Practice it yourself and you will get to know the calculation. Thank you.